Hi, everybody. My name is Betty, and today I'm here with Sarah McAuley and Mark Leake, VMware's Ultimate Cloud Wranglers, and we are honored to share with you the results of two recent Forrester Wave reports in the cloud management space.
Hey, Betty.
Hey, Betty.
Hey, welcome you two. Forrester, for everyone who knows, is a leading global analyst firm, and the Wave reports are vendor evaluations they conduct for key tech markets. I'm pleased to say that VMware was named a leader in both the Forrester Wave Hybrid Cloud Management for Q4 2020 and the Forrester Wave Cloud Cost Management and Optimization for Q4 2020 reports.
And Betty, if I can point out, back in August, VMware was also named a leader in the Forrester Wave Infrastructure Automation Platforms for Q3 2020, which kicked off our streak of recognition with this trifecta of Wave reports.
That's great, Sarah. And to get us started, Mark, can you tell me a little more about the Hybrid Cloud Management Wave?
Sure thing. So the Hybrid Cloud Management Wave covers vendors that provide infrastructure and operations, that's I&O, teams, the solutions they need to automate and manage the delivery of infrastructure and application services across both private and public clouds. And the criteria evaluated in the report include discovery, governance and policies, orchestration and lifecycle management, and optimization and automated operations, as well as the overall customer experience. Now, VMware was evaluated against these criteria for our vRealize family of on-premises and SaaS offerings, as well as our CloudHealth offering for public cloud management. Out of all the vendors covered in the report, we received the highest scores in both the current offering and strategy categories, as well as the highest possible scores for 29 of the 34 Wave criteria. And according to the report, they said that VMware is a good fit for large enterprises with established data centers that are extending management to public cloud.
Okay. And Sarah, what about the Cloud Cost Management and Optimization report?
Okay. That report covers vendors that provide customers with visibility into their spend across multiple public clouds like AWS, Google, or Azure. They also provide recommendations on how to optimize that spend, whether it's to reduce waste or leverage reserved instances to lower costs. Our solution, CloudHealth, specifically provides not only visibility for chargeback and showback, but proactive recommendations on ways to optimize that spend and governance policies so you can automate these remediations. All of this is aligned to your business and application landscape. So instead of giving you a laundry list of hundreds or even thousands of changes to make, we can help prioritize and contextualize these changes. And then when you're ready for it, automatically make the changes on your behalf.
Okay, so I understand what each report covers, but why do you think being a leader in both reports is especially significant?
Well, most IT organizations are adopting a multi-cloud strategy. That means they're either experimenting with, or as is the case for most of our customers, already utilizing a private cloud and 2, 3, or even more public clouds. They're looking for solutions that can help them get their arms around their increasingly complex, heterogeneous environments. And that's from the perspective, not just of cost, but also performance, compliance, and security, and the operating model that can address these concerns across their diverse cloud infrastructure. Between the two reports, VMware is a leader.
Got it. Makes sense. So one thing I'm wondering about is why there are two separate Wave reports and not just one. Multi-cloud management Wave that covers cost management as well as other aspects of cloud management.
Betty, I can certainly share VMware's perspective on that.
Oh, sure. Go ahead, Mark.
Well, I think it's important to understand how management differs in the worlds of hybrid versus public cloud. Like Sarah said, the complexity is only increasing when it comes to cloud usage, and depending on where the customer's environment is today, their needs for management, governance, automation, cost management, those will be different. And that will change over time as they evolve in their cloud strategies. If the applications started in the private cloud on vSphere and are now being extended to hybrid cloud with, for example, VMware Cloud on AWS, the role of IT is to be the provider of infrastructure services, focusing on things such as automated delivery, performance, and availability, as well as compliance and security. Now, for applications that are born in the public cloud, on the other hand, IT is the consumer of infrastructure services delivered by the cloud provider. So the focus shifts. Governance in the form of cost visibility and optimization, as well as compliance and security, these are now of paramount importance. And the two Forrester Waves reflect the two different perspectives in cloud management, as do our two offerings, vRealize and CloudHealth.
Fascinating. Anything else you'd like to add, Sarah?
Just that while it's always great that our offerings and efforts are recognized in this way, ultimately, it's all about whether we're helping our customers deliver on what their organizations needs by reducing the complexity they face. We're really focused on doing this across both the hybrid and public clouds for our joint vRealize and CloudHealth customers. I like to think that being named a leader in these wave reports is reflective of that effort, that we're really bringing a beneficial impact to the lives of our customers.
Thanks, Sarah and Mark, for the insight, and congratulations on the latest Forrester Wave reports.